Bro,
Top
your voice is cutting
10
out. Your
animals
voice.
that scientists are thinking of bringing back in 2024. Top 10. The monkey bird. The monkey bird is a bird that looks like a monkey. It is actually the grandfather of all monkeys, and it is said to be brought back for DNA purposes, and it is said to be brought back for scientific reasons. Because the monkey bird is so rare, there's only very little DNA left, and the last piece of DNA is inside a laboratory, and it is being frozen until 2024, November 1st, and it's going to be brought back at that day.
Top 9. The cotton. The cotton is a very rare species of animal that it's really good for picking cotton. This type of cotton can only be made by the cotton. It also is said to love watermelon and chicken. So if you see any cottons, please do report it immediately so that we can use them.
Top 1. The dodo bird. The dodo bird is a bird that is extinct. It went extinct roughly 3,000 years ago. People used to eat them, and people used to like them, so they killed them and ate them, and now they're extinct. Wow! But now there has been a scientific breakthrough, and it is said to have found some DNA for the dodo bird. If you see any dodo birds online, please report it to the CIA. We will use the dodo birds for educational purposes.
Hope
Bro,
negative, I forgot. The holy shit, I cannot make anything up. Where's Jira? Take another, make something else up for me, please.
not top -7. The chair bird. The chair bird is a very old bird. It is said to have been brought from the asteroid that killed all
I think he
dinosaurs.
also forgot.
And then the bird came from the asteroid, and then the asteroid got just blown up because it killed the dinosaurs, and the dinosaurs weren't happy. So the chair bird decided to fight for the dinosaurs and killed the asteroid. But then the chair bird hated the dinosaurs, so the chair bird decided to kill all dinosaurs. The chair bird is a very powerful bird, but it has been extinct for unknown reasons. We have found some of its DNA, and we are thinking of bringing it back in late 2026. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and comment and do whatever you want. Please also, if Nvidia is watching this, please sponsor us. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.